Hey, Christian here, manager of Apollo Screen and Shade in San Diego. We just wrapped up a really cool project right here in Carlsbad. This homeowner had 2 sets of French doors, and we took care of both of them. On one set, we installed a long pull retractable screen, a single panel that covers both doors completely, no center bar, totally clean, and unobstructed. On the other set, we went with a classic double retractable setup, 2 panels meeting right in the middle. And here's the best part about both of them: when you're not using them, they completely disappear. No ugly screen door sitting on your home around the clock, just beautiful doors, clean lines, and fresh air whenever you want it. Every screen is custom built to fit the exact opening and professionally installed by our own team, backed by a lifetime warranty. 2 doors, 1 home, 0 compromise. That's how we do it at Apollo.